Hey, all right, so I have a Hummer H2 SUT with a rear lid. Now, some of you might be asking or looking at like, hey, how do I replace these rear side marker lights? Well, I'm about to show you. I took pretty much everything off that I thought I was supposed to take off and didn't have to take so much off. So the thing to take this out, you can't take it, slide it off. You have to undo these screws toward the back. You open the lid, unscrew those. It's gonna have these little metal pieces just over these plastic to keep it from popping up by itself. You just take a needle nose plier, get in there, pop them out. Now at this time you can loosen the brackets that are on top. Let me show you what those look like. These guys right here, they're going to be on both sides, the things that slide back and forth on the rail. Loosen them, you don't have to take them off. But once you loosen them, you can slide this whole lid back on the slide to expose these bolts right in here, and you're going to take those bolts out. Then you can just lift up the whole lid with the slide on it, and that's it. And then you got access to the top left and the right, so you can remove this panel here on top. Remove it. I'm about to show you how. I haven't done it yet. It'll be my first time, but we can learn together. So basically this comes off. Those three bolts come out. You might have to pull out that little bolt and this little trim right here. Don't know yet, we'll find out. And this panel, along with the wheel well, comes out to get to that stupid little rear side marker light. I've never encountered anything like this on replacing a bulb, side marker, headlight. Well, I looked into it and I went to a body shop, went to the dealership. That's apparently that's a dealer order part, and they do the work. Well, you know, just looking at it, it's going to cost $100, and then whatever else, how many hours it takes to take off the entire back lid, undo all this, probably a couple more hours to replace one single stupid light. I'm trying to prevent, obviously I'm not going to cut it off, that would just be stupid. I can't pull it out any more than this. It literally goes in this little hole and goes straight up. There's got to be some type of wiring harness up here somewhere that it's attached to, but there should be a plug on the back of this marker just like there is in the front. So I'm replacing it with these smoked out LEDs right here to match the grill, kind of like that black on white look, or the white on black look, but a little more black. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a second.